Let's create a function, and this function we will just simply get the first item of an iterator. So we give it a name first item, and this function will take one parameter, and this parameter is an iterator. So we give it a name iter and colon, and the data type should be impl and iterator and angle brackets item equal to I32. And this impl iterator means this iter is any data type which implement the iterator trait. And this item equal to I32 means the item's data type in this iterator is the I32 data type. And this function we will just return I32 data type value. And because we will use the next method on this iterator, and so we will make this iterator to be mutable. So we add the mute keyword before this parameter, and then we will call the next method on this iterator, and because this next method will return option type of value, so we use match to handle this option value, and if this next method returns sum and hold the item I, then we will just return this item I. And if this next method return none, then we just call the panic and print out no items. And in our main function, let's create a iterator. Give it a name iter equal to, let's create a vector and give it some initial value 1, 2, 3, and use the into iter method to turn this vector to a iterator, and this into iter will take the ownership of the vector. And then let's call this first item function. Let's create a variable first to store the result, and then call this function, and we will pass the iterator as an argument into this function. Then last, let's just print out the first is first, and in our terminal, let's run cargo run. It will print out first is 1, and because this first item in this iterator is 1, and this is how we create a function and take an iterator as an argument. And I hope to see you next.